Alright folk, hopefully this is working good. I got the microphone on today, but I got these here. It's windy outside to get the microphone, but I got these here, and that will hopefully solve this problem here. All this freaking crap, especially right here in this general area, that's all got to get organized. And then let me take you over this way. We'll come to the back, and the whole under here area, where the bed is, all that, I got 2 more totes to try and help that. So that is pretty much what my day is today. Just trying to reorganize and get this whole dang thing done. I bought those, so hopefully this solves the dilemma. I may get one more of the little totes, I'm not sure, but we'll see about that. But anyways, let me get started on this and I'll get right back to you guys in a minute. Later, folk. Hey folk, how's it going? I am back. Parked. Don't know if I'm gonna stay for the whole time. I might go back out again and then come back, but I am parked. But finished a bunch of the work in here. It's not completely done yet, and it's still a little messy because there's a few things I got to put away. It's still mostly food items. I got some chicken and stuff, so I'm going to keep that out because I'm eating that tonight. But some more stuff that has to get put away. But anyways, it's getting closer. It's much better. I figured I'd show you, so check it out. Anyways, I'm sure you can remember, you couldn't even see those 3 dressers before. I mean, it was coming all from there. It was coming out all the way over to here. All this room I didn't have. So behind the bag over there is a big like 12-pack of water. So I'm going to be trying to figure a place for that. Obviously up here I got to straighten all this crap out, and like over here a lot of food items, some socks and stuff I gotta find a place for. But for the most part, see, even down here I even there's a vacuum cleaner. I even vacuum for you guys to show you a little bit. But anyways, she's just about getting there. And, you know, I think I'm going to buy about 2 more totes for under that area over there. And I think I should just be just about done and be able to have everything stored up and everything. But anyways, that's about it for that. I figured I'd just share that with you. So anyways, I'm gonna let you get going so I can finish this up a bit, but I figured I'd just throw a little something out there, let you guys see some real van life going on here. So anyways, till next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.